welcome. Oh, wait, you can't see me. Hey there. Welcome back to Richard's Toy Room once again. I'm hiding behind this enormous box. It's got to be close to 3 feet tall. It's a surprise. And there's a clue in the thumbnail, a couple of clues actually, on what's in this box. I'm going to do 2 videos on this. This one, the opening surprise video, and then when I get it all out, I'm going to do another video showing the toy and assembling it. So let's see what's in the box. Now this thing cost me almost twice as much as I paid for the toy itself to ship it. Isn't that disgusting? How much the shipping companies charge? And it wasn't even United States Postal Service, which is notorious for doubling the price if you go 1 inch over their matrix. This is quite a few inches over their doubling price, because it doesn't weigh that much. Packing peanuts, my enemy. Sorry, you're not going to see what it is yet. Clean up your mess, kids. Anyway, so get this garbage bag off of here, because this is anything but garbage. Oh God, there's peanuts inside the box inside here too. Okay, here it is. Da, 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 da. It's the Steve Scout official Boy Scout High Adventure Scout Base. I've wanted this thing for a long time, and even though the shipping was crazy on it, even with the shipping, I paid less than what they usually go for. And it's complete. Everything's in the box. So, that's what it is. I'll show you the box as long as you watch the video this far. You get to see all the sides here. And as you see on the back, all the things at the time that this was produced, these are, I don't know if this is everything, but this is quite a bit of the things that were available for the Steve Scout. There was quite a bit of accessories and play sets and figures that this Kenner series put out, surprisingly. I don't see an original price sticker anywhere on it. Looks like there's a remnant of some Christmas wrapping paper there on the top, right here. Just a teeny bit. So this was obviously a Christmas present for somebody. I can see the holly leaves. So this was probably one happy boy. And now there's one other happy boy that's the next owner of this. So I'm not really out to collect all the Steve Scout sets. I mean, never say never, but I don't have the intention at this point of being a completist on the Steve Scout thing, but I do want to get some more stuff that they put out. But this is kind of like the creme de la creme, the top of the line. This is the set you want if you're going to collect Steve Scout. So anyway, watch for that other video. It'll be coming up soon because I'm going to unbox this and put it together in another video. So this is just a short one. Thanks for watching, and I hope you are as excited as I am. Subscribe if you want to. I'm not begging. I'm just saying if you like this kind of stuff, you know, you subscribe, you get notifications. At this point, I have not decided to monetize my videos. I mean, I may do that in the future if I get enough subscribers and start getting enough views that it's worth it. But it's kind of annoying for those commercials for people. So as far as I know, my videos don't have commercials because they're not monetized. So bonus for you, at least at this point. Anyway, like I said, thanks for watching, and see you again soon.